Northern Ugandan Lakubuku music star Kilama George Williams, popularly known as Kiddy Face, has delivered a heartfelt message honoring retiring military officer Lieutenant General Otema Awany. Speaking from a memorial site in Kigali, Rwanda, the artist expressed deep gratitude for the general's 47 years of dedicated service and contribution to restoring peace in Northern Uganda. Kilama, who is currently in Rwanda for an academic study tour, drew parallels between Rwanda's post-genocide recovery and Northern Uganda's journey towards stability. He officially welcomed Lieutenant General Otema Awany back home ahead of his slated return on August 28, 2026, praising his sacrifice and leadership in ending decades of regional conflict.
Thank you so much. My name is Kilama George Williams. I am a student of Gulu University pursuing Bachelor in International Relations and Security Studies. Today I am speaking from a memorial and historical site, Kigali, Rwanda, where we understand the history, the painful, tragic history of the 1994 genocide, where many families were destroyed, people's lives were destroyed, properties were destroyed. But today we want to understand the reconciliation process and the reconstruction of peace and development that happened in Kigali, Rwanda. So I would like to use this moment to send my tribute to our very own General Charles Otema Awany, who fought for peace in Northern Uganda and Uganda as a country. As we welcome you back home on the 28th of August 2026, General Charles Otema Awany, we really understand your remarkable contribution to our land in reinstating peace in Northern Uganda. As people of Northern Uganda, we understand the pain. We understand what it cost. It cost generations when peace is destroyed. It costs the life of children. It costs women and young and girls. It costs so many lives. So we understand and we want to appreciate you for the 47 years that you spent as a sacrifice to see that there is peace in Uganda. You served your country diligently. We today want to celebrate you as we welcome you back home on the 28th of August. My name is Kilama George Williams still. Some people know me as Kiddy Face. I am also a student of peace. That's why I am here speaking from a historical place that has managed to regain peace in its country after a tragic genocide of the 1994. We welcome you, General. Long live General Charles Otema Awany. Long live Acholi land. Long live.
Kiddy Face is a prominent traditional Lakubuku musician who doubles as a student at Gulu University, where he is pursuing a bachelor's degree in international relations and security studies. His trip to Kigali forms part of an educational tour aimed at examining the 1994 Rwandan genocide against the Tutsi, focusing on post-conflict reconciliation, peace building, and national reconstruction. Reflecting on the devastating impact of conflict, especially referencing the tragic loss of lives, destructions of property, and the severe toll on women and children, Kilama emphasized the heavy cost of broken peace across generations. Drawing from his academic background as a student of peace, he highlighted how historical sites like Kigali serve as powerful reminders of resilience required to rebuild a nation. Lieutenant General Charles Otema Awany, a key figure in the Ugandan People's Defense Forces (UPDF), served for nearly 5 decades, playing a crucial role in military operations that brought security back to Northern Uganda following years of insurgency. Kilama's tribute underscores the cultural and civic appreciation from the youth and artistic community of the Acholi sub-region toward military leaders who championed long-term stability.